Nvidia, just the name evokes power, cutting-edge graphics, blazing fast processing. For decades, Nvidia has been at the forefront of technological innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of computing. From the early days of simple graphics cards to the modern era of AI and deep learning, Nvidia has consistently been a leader in the industry. Their products are not just components, they are the heart and soul of countless devices and systems, driving advancements in gaming, professional visualization, data centers, and automotive technology. It's a company that's become synonymous with the future of technology. Nvidia's influence extends far beyond just hardware. Their software solutions, like CUDA, have revolutionized parallel computing, enabling researchers and developers to tackle complex problems with unprecedented speed and efficiency. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in its continuous investment in research and development, always striving to stay ahead of the curve and anticipate the needs of tomorrow. But what if that future is not as bright as it seems? Despite its many successes, Nvidia is not immune to the challenges and uncertainties that plague the tech industry. The rapid pace of technological change means that today's leader can quickly become tomorrow's laggard. Market dynamics, competitive pressures, and economic fluctuations all play a role in shaping the fortunes of even the most dominant companies. What if Nvidia, the darling of Silicon Valley, is headed for a devastating crash? Investors and analysts are constantly on the lookout for signs of trouble, scrutinizing every earnings report, every product launch, and every strategic move. The stakes are incredibly high, and the margin for error is razor thin. A single misstep could send shockwaves through the market, eroding investor confidence and triggering a downward spiral. It's a question that's keeping investors up at night. The fear of missing out on the next big thing is matched only by the fear of losing everything. For those who have bet big on Nvidia, the stakes couldn't be higher. They are constantly monitoring the news, analyzing trends, and trying to predict the future. The pressure is immense, and the consequences of getting it wrong are severe. Nvidia's stock has been on a tear, soaring to dizzying heights. The company's impressive financial performance has attracted a legion of enthusiastic investors, driving the stock price to record levels. The excitement is palpable, and the sense of optimism is infectious. But with great heights come great risks, and the higher the climb, the more precarious the position. But what goes up must come down, right? The history of the stock market is littered with examples of companies that soared to incredible heights, only to come crashing down. The tech industry in particular is known for its volatility. One moment, a company can be the toast of Wall Street, and the next, it can be struggling to stay afloat. The question on everyone's mind is whether Nvidia can sustain its momentum or if it's headed for a fall. Is this the peak before the plunge? The signs are there for those who know where to look. Market analysts are divided, with some predicting continued growth and others warning of an impending correction. The uncertainty is palpable, and the stakes are incredibly high. For Nvidia, the next few months could be critical in determining its long-term trajectory. We're about to dive deep into the world of Nvidia, exploring its strengths, its weaknesses, and the forces that could send this tech titan tumbling. We'll examine the company's strategic initiatives, its competitive landscape, and the broader market trends that could impact its future. From the potential of its AI and data center businesses to the challenges posed by emerging competitors, we'll leave no stone unturned in our quest to understand Nvidia's prospects. Hold on tight because this is going to be a wild ride. The world of technology is fast-paced and ever-changing, and the stakes are incredibly high. For Nvidia, the journey ahead is filled with both opportunities and challenges. As we navigate this complex landscape, we'll need to stay sharp, stay informed, and be ready for anything. This isn't about predicting the future, it's about understanding the present. By examining the current state of the industry, the competitive dynamics, and the strategic decisions being made by Nvidia, we can gain valuable insights into what the future might hold. It's about being prepared, being informed, and making smart decisions based on the best available information. It's about understanding the present. The decisions being made today will shape the future of Nvidia and the tech industry as a whole. By staying informed and staying engaged, we can better navigate the uncertainties and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. It's about asking the tough questions and confronting the uncomfortable truths. In a world where hype and speculation often overshadow reality, it's crucial to dig deep, ask the hard questions, and seek out the truth. Only by doing so can we gain a clear and accurate understanding of the challenges and opportunities facing Nvidia. Because in the world of tech, nothing is guaranteed. The landscape is constantly shifting, and today's leader can quickly become tomorrow's follower. By staying vigilant, staying informed, and staying engaged, we can better navigate the uncertainties and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. And the higher you climb, the further you have to fall. For Nvidia, the stakes are incredibly high, and the journey ahead is filled with both opportunities and challenges. As we explore the world of Nvidia, We'll need to stay sharp, stay informed, and be ready for anything. So buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Right now, Nvidia sits on a throne of silicon. This isn't just a metaphor, it's a reflection of their unparalleled dominance in the tech industry. Nvidia's journey to the top has been nothing short of extraordinary. From their humble beginnings in 1993, they have grown into a powerhouse, revolutionizing the world of graphics processing units, or GPUs. Their innovations have set the standard for the industry, making them the go-to choice for gamers, scientists, and engineers alike. They are the undisputed king of graphics processing units, or GPUs. This title wasn't earned overnight. It took years of relentless innovation, strategic acquisitions, and a keen understanding of market needs. Nvidia's GPUs are not just components, they are the lifeblood of modern computing. They power everything from the latest AAA gaming titles to complex scientific simulations. The company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible has cemented its place at the top. These chips are the beating heart of everything from gaming PCs to data centers. In the gaming world, Nvidia's GeForce GPUs are legendary. They deliver the kind of performance that gamers dream of, enabling ultra-high-definition graphics and smooth, immersive gameplay. But Nvidia's influence extends far beyond gaming. In data centers around the globe, their GPUs are the workhorses driving artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics. These applications require immense computational power, and Nvidia delivers in spades. Gamers crave Nvidia's GeForce GPUs for their ability to render stunning visuals. The GeForce series has become synonymous with high performance and cutting-edge technology. Each new generation of GeForce GPUs brings with it a leap in capabilities, allowing gamers to experience their favorite titles in ways they never thought possible. Ray tracing, DLSS, and other advanced features have set Nvidia apart from the competition, making them the preferred choice for serious gamers. Scientists and engineers rely on Nvidia's Tesla GPUs to power their artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. The Tesla series is designed for high-performance computing, offering unparalleled speed and efficiency. In fields like genomics, climate modeling, and autonomous vehicles, Nvidia's GPUs are indispensable. They enable researchers to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, leading to breakthroughs that were once thought impossible. Nvidia's commitment to innovation in this space has made them a critical partner for scientists and engineers worldwide. Nvidia's financials tell a story of remarkable success. Revenue is skyrocketing. The company's stock price has soared, reflecting investor confidence in their continued growth. This financial success is a testament to Nvidia's ability to stay ahead of the curve, consistently delivering products that meet the evolving needs of the market. Their strategic investments in research and development have paid off, resulting in a steady stream of innovative products that drive demand and fuel their financial growth. Profits are through the roof. The company seems unstoppable. Nvidia's ability to generate significant profits has allowed them to reinvest in their business, further solidifying their market position. They have expanded their product offerings, entered new markets, and forged strategic partnerships that enhance their competitive edge. This cycle of success has created a virtuous loop, where financial strength fuels innovation, and innovation drives financial success. But appearances can be deceiving. Despite their current dominance, Nvidia faces significant challenges. The tech industry is notoriously volatile, and staying on top requires constant vigilance and adaptation. Market dynamics can shift rapidly, and new competitors are always emerging. Nvidia must navigate these challenges while continuing to innovate and meet the high expectations of their customers and investors. Beneath the surface of this tech behemoth, cracks are beginning to show. Supply chain disruptions, geopolitical tensions, and the ever-present threat of cyber attacks are just a few of the issues that Nvidia must contend with. These challenges can impact their ability to deliver products on time and maintain their competitive edge. Additionally, the rapid pace of technological change means that Nvidia must constantly innovate to stay relevant. Failure to do so could result in a loss of market share and a decline in their financial performance. The competition is heating up. Companies like AMD and Intel are investing heavily in their GPU technologies, aiming to capture a larger share of the market. These competitors are not to be underestimated. They have the resources and expertise to challenge Nvidia's dominance. As they introduce new products and technologies, the battle for supremacy in the GPU market will only intensify. Nvidia must stay ahead of the curve to maintain their leadership position. New players are entering the market, hungry for a piece of Nvidia's pie. Startups and smaller companies are bringing fresh ideas and innovative approaches to the table. These new entrants are agile and can quickly adapt to changing market conditions. While they may not have the same resources as Nvidia, their creativity and willingness to take risks make them formidable competitors. Nvidia must keep a close eye on these emerging players and be prepared to respond to their challenges. And the global chip shortage has exposed the fragility of even the most powerful tech companies. The shortage has disrupted supply chains and led to delays in product launches. For Nvidia, this means potential lost revenue and frustrated customers. The chip shortage has highlighted the importance of supply chain resilience and the need for companies to diversify their sources of critical components. Nvidia must navigate these challenges while continuing to meet the high demand for their products. Can Nvidia maintain its grip on the market? The future is uncertain, and the challenges are many. However, Nvidia has a track record of overcoming obstacles and emerging stronger. Their commitment to innovation, strategic vision, and ability to execute have served them well in the past. As they navigate the complexities of the modern tech landscape, these qualities will be crucial in determining their future success, or will it crumble under the pressure? Only time will tell. The tech industry is a constantly evolving battlefield, and only the most adaptable and resilient companies will survive. Nvidia's journey is far from over, and the coming years will be critical in shaping their legacy. As they face new challenges and opportunities, the world will be watching to see if they can continue to lead the way in the ever-changing world of technology. The GPU arena was once Nvidia's playground, but the game has changed. Intel, the sleeping giant of the chip industry, has woken up. They're pouring billions into their own GPU division, determined to challenge Nvidia's dominance. And they're not alone. AMD, Nvidia's longtime rival, is also upping its game. Their new Radeon GPUs are giving Nvidia a run for its money, especially in the gaming market. And let's not forget about the rise of specialized AI chips. Companies like Google and Tesla are designing their own custom silicon, tailored specifically for their AI workloads. This is a battle for the future of computing. The stakes are high and the competition is fierce. Nvidia might be the champion today, but can they defend their title against these formidable challengers? It's not just the competition that Nvidia needs to worry about. While competitors like AMD and Intel are always on their heels, Nvidia faces a myriad of other challenges that could potentially derail its success. The tech industry is a fast-paced and ever-evolving landscape, and staying ahead requires more than just innovative products. It demands resilience, foresight, and the ability to navigate through unforeseen obstacles. There are other storm clouds gathering on the horizon. These aren't just metaphorical clouds, but real, tangible threats that could impact Nvidia's operations and market position. The tech world is no stranger to sudden disruptions, and Nvidia must be prepared to face these head-on. The global chip shortage has exposed the vulnerability of the entire tech industry to supply chain disruptions. This shortage has not only affected Nvidia, but has sent ripples across various sectors, from automotive to consumer electronics. The delicate balance of supply and demand in the semiconductor industry means that even a minor hiccup can lead to significant delays and financial losses. A single factory fire, or a geopolitical crisis, could bring Nvidia's production to a grinding halt. The interconnected nature of global supply chains means that a disruption in one part of the world can have far-reaching consequences. For Nvidia, which relies on a complex network of suppliers and manufacturers, any interruption can be catastrophic. Then there's the issue of valuation. Nvidia's stock has been on a meteoric rise, driven by strong demand for its GPUs and optimistic projections for future growth. However, this rapid ascent has also raised concerns among investors and analysts. Nvidia's stock price has soared to astronomical heights. This surge reflects the market's confidence in Nvidia's ability to maintain its leadership in the GPU market and expand into new areas like AI and autonomous vehicles. But with high valuations come high expectations. Some analysts believe it's a bubble waiting to burst. They caution that the current stock price may not be sustainable in the long run. If Nvidia fails to meet the lofty expectations set by the market, it could lead to a sharp correction in its stock price. They argue that Nvidia's current valuation is based on unrealistic expectations of future growth. While Nvidia has a strong track record of innovation and market leadership, the future is always uncertain. Any misstep or slowdown in growth could trigger a loss of investor confidence. If those expectations aren't met, the stock could plummet. This would not only affect Nvidia's market capitalization but could also impact its ability to raise capital for future projects. The volatility of the stock market means that companies like Nvidia must constantly prove their worth to investors. And let's not forget about the ever-present threat of regulation. As Nvidia continues to grow and expand its influence, it inevitably attracts the attention of regulators. Governments around the world are becoming increasingly wary of the power wielded by big tech companies. Governments around the world are increasingly scrutinizing the power of big tech companies. This scrutiny can lead to new regulations and antitrust actions aimed at curbing their influence. For Nvidia, this means navigating a complex and ever-changing regulatory landscape. Antitrust lawsuits and new regulations could significantly impact Nvidia's business. These legal challenges can be costly and time-consuming, diverting resources away from innovation and growth. As Nvidia continues to push the boundaries of technology, it must also be prepared to defend its position in the courtroom and comply with new regulatory requirements. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Your support helps us bring you more insightful content.